Hi, and welcome to the Keysight AI Showcase. I'm Daniel Bogdanoff, your host for today's event. Quickly and efficiently scaling up AI infrastructure is at the top of the priority list for the world's largest companies, which is why we're seeing unprecedented investments by hyperscalers and governments and increased pressure on network architects and network equipment manufacturers. But scaling is difficult. AI data centers and traffic patterns are not like traditional data centers and require new architectures, tools, and techniques. So over the next half hour, we'll sit down with the experts to dig into these unique challenges and unveil 3 new Keysight solutions that will equip you to solve your project's toughest challenges. We'll start at the large scale, looking at the challenges the industry faces when building and running AI data centers, as well as see the new Keysight AI or Kai data center builder. Then later in the session, we'll explore brand new Keysight solutions that will help you ensure reliability and maximize performance of 1.6 terabit optics and interconnects.
Large-scale AI training jobs often encounter bottlenecks, including power constraints, bandwidth inefficiencies, and component failures, each of which can severely impact the performance and scalability of AI data centers. Any inefficiencies in GPU utilization amplify these constraints. Sustained traffic implies massive data movement between GPUs, leading to possible network congestion, pushing the limits of existing data center infrastructure. Components may pass every performance pressure test and still fail at the system level, meaning that a single weak link can have a system-wide impact on AI data centers, leading to increased job completion times. The industry has recognized that these highly interconnected systems demand full stack validation and optimization.
Expensive GPUs are sitting idle more than 50% of the time waiting on data. Idle GPUs increase training times, waste resources, and reduce the data center's ROI. And then sometimes training fails completely, causing the cluster to start over from the last checkpoint. One report shows up to a 43% failure rate. All it takes is one weak link to cause a failure. The bottom line is you need to optimize your AI data center. That means minimizing GPU downtime and pinpointing the root cause of workload failures to maximize ROI.
The Kai Data Center Builder is a powerful software suite that helps network architects emulate anything and optimize everything, from the fabric to the application layer. This exciting product emulates real-world AI workload behavior, analyzing tail latency and network bottlenecks at scale. Through Kai Data Center Builder's graphic visualizations, you can quickly identify your longest tail latency and track individual slowdowns that cause idle processing clusters and network leaks. Imagine being able to predict and avoid fabric limitations all in one emulation system. With Kai Data Center Builder, you can. Optimizing AI infrastructure isn't easy. Data centers are inundated with torrents of traffic as they process vast amounts of data into models. Failures can occur, causing training to stop and restart, which significantly slows everything down. Tail latency, where the job that takes the longest to complete slows down the entire system, is a major issue. When performance suffers, pinpointing the root cause in a complex network environment can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. You need clear visibility to quickly identify and resolve issues. Maximizing the use of your AI resources can be like navigating a maze in the dark. Inefficient scheduling and guessing at workload allocation lead to jobs taking too long, wasting valuable time and resources. Validating AI models can also be cumbersome, slowing down your time to market and affecting overall productivity. These challenges are what Keysight Data Center Builder helps you solve. Because when you overcome these hurdles, you unleash the true potential of your AI investments.
The new 224 gigabit per second optical sampling oscilloscope helps you accelerate 1.6T transceiver reduction with efficient and accurate optical testing. The high optical sensitivity of DCAM sampling oscilloscopes offer the most accurate optical measurements and widest measurement margin. This ensures you can precisely characterize and tune device performance using the best TDEQ measurements. And you can use reference receiver settings for the latest IEEE 802.3 DJ standard to better test device compliance and interoperability. To maximize throughput, these oscilloscopes can be controlled by test optimization software that automates the manufacturing test process. The FlexOTO software maximizes hardware utilization and reduces idle time by allowing you to test multiple devices in parallel with a single oscilloscope, ensuring that every device is compliant and reliable. For these reasons, the 224 gigabit per second DCAM sampling oscilloscope is an essential tool for scaling 1.6T transceiver production and a key part of Kai Interconnect. Back to you, Daniel.
Today, we're also unveiling the Interconnect and Network Performance Tester 1600GE and the Interconnect Test System software designed to revolutionize high-speed Ethernet testing. This powerful hardware and software solution tests reliability, stability, interoperability, and performance of 1.6T Ethernet interconnects, essential for building high-speed AI systems. Available in both benchtop and rack mount configurations, the IMPT tests everything from silicon chips and optical transceivers to cables and networking equipment at the physical, protocol, and network level for end-to-end layer 1 through 3 validation. Complementing this hardware is the Interconnect Test System, or ITS. This browser-based software is a complete and comprehensive approach to validating interconnect functionality and performance from 100GE to 1600GE. ITS streamlines testing workflows and maximizes hardware utilization. The demand for bandwidth and data throughput is exploding, driven by AI workloads and the need for faster data processing. This puts immense pressure on interconnects, which are the backbone of these high-speed networks. One component, even one that is compliant at the physical level, can still fail at a system level. So more thorough testing at multiple layers is essential for ensuring network reliability. Customers are struggling with the complexity of validating new 224 gigabits per second electrical lane interfaces, as well as the need to ensure reliability and performance at scale. Basically, they're running into a few big headaches. 1. Signal integrity. Think of it like a super fast highway. With 1.6T, the data's flying by so quickly that even tiny bumps in the road can cause a major problem. Bit error rates, forward error correction performance, link stability, and reliability are critical metrics to understand for all elements of the network. 2. Testing complexity. Testing these new connections is complicated, slow, and it's easy to miss something. You need the right tools and the right expertise to get it done. 3. Interoperability. Getting everything to work together is tough. Different parts don't always play nice. Network performance. Imagine that super fast highway. If there are any bottlenecks or accidents, everything grinds to a halt. You have to make sure the whole network can handle those 1.6T speeds without slowing down. The INPT thoroughly tests 1.6T Ethernet interconnects to meet high-speed network requirements. Its lightweight design offers flexibility for component and system-level testing. The ITS software streamlines the process, enhancing test creation, editing, and automation. It also maximizes hardware use by allowing multiple users to run tests at the same time. To put it simply, this powerful combination of hardware and software drastically reduces testing time through automation, validates rigorously to ensure reliability and performance, ensures smooth interoperability between different components, and maximizes hardware efficiency and investment. With the Interconnect and Network Performance Tester 1600GE and the Interconnect Test System software, you can confidently deploy high-speed network infrastructure for modern data centers and AI networks.
Today, we unveiled 3 new Keysight solutions. Kai Data Center Builder that helps you scale your AI data center capacity. By emulating real-world workflows and identifying bottlenecks, you can emulate anything and optimize everything. We saw the new DCAM optical sampling oscilloscope that will help you ramp your 1.6 terabit optical transceiver production. And we looked at the new Interconnect and Network Performance Tester that helps you validate on multiple layers. These are all part of the Keysight AI or Kai architecture. Kai solutions scale capacity in AI data centers by validating individual network components and using real-world AI workload emulations to optimize system-level interoperability, performance, and efficiency.